Meet your new WF-1000XM3 noise-canceling truly wireless headphones. It starts with removing the headset from the charging case. The earbuds will automatically turn on once removed from the case. Place the earbuds into your ears and twist backwards slightly to ensure a secure fit. To get the best experience out of your earbuds, you may need to try different sizes of the included silicone ear tips. Check your phone settings and select under Bluetooth connections. Tap and hold the left earphone to lower volume instantly and hear conversations. Your WF-1000XM3 earbuds feature multi-function touchpads on either side for easy operation. Tap the left headphone to customize settings to your environment. Tap the right headphone to change your music. 1 tap, play. 2 taps, next track. 3 taps, previous track. Enjoy hands-free calling. Tap and hold the right ear and speak with voice assistant. To charge, place earbuds into the charging case.